Hi, I'm Diana. I was given the Shea Vera butter in return for this video, so let's talk about it. Now, this is meant to help rejuvenate, hydrate, and promote healthy skin. It's full of rich fatty acids and vitamins, and it's safe for all skin types. What I really love most about this product is with a lot of shea butters out there, they're not always ethically obtained, and they do get this from a farm in Ghana where the women create this and they give some of the profits back to those women. Now, this has strawberry essential oil in here, so it has just an ever so slight scent of strawberries, which I love. And the consistency of it, it's super light and airy. They whip this up and it has a really interesting texture. It's not thick, it's almost just very light. And if I put this on, as you can see, I'm a little bit dry. I let my skin get really dry for this, and it just blends in and it just gives so much hydration to the skin. And there's nothing like shea butter to just really hydrate the skin. I mean, look at that. It's already looking so much better. You've got the shea butter, you've got some coconut oil, vitamin E, and the strawberry essential oil. That's it. Nice, clean, and pure. So if you're looking for a quality shea butter, definitely check this product out.